Hi, I'm Phil, and I'm going to tell you the difference between little and a little. Yes, they almost mean the same thing. No, we don't use them in the same way. They both refer to small quantities, and we use them with uncountable nouns. If we use little with no article, then it's usually negative. The small quantity is a problem. There's little money left, we can't buy anything. Or there's little time left, we need to start now. But if we use a little with the article, it's usually positive. It almost means at least we've got some. We've got a little money, let's spend it on a party. We've got a little time, let's have some tea. Remember it like this: if you've got a little money but little time, you could pay someone to help you. But if you've got little money and a little time, you should do it yourself.